In the cat community, a small, thin cat walks timidly among a group of well-groomed, wealthy cats. Look at her. No color, no form, no identity. The wealthy cats sneer, their glossy fur gleaming. Tears well up in the small cat's eyes as she shrinks away from the disdain. In her modest home, small cat curls into herself, tears streaming as she whispers a heartfelt plea. "Oh God, grant me respect, love, and a position where I can show them all that true beauty lies within." A beam of light descends, engulfing the small cat in a celestial glow. Her fur shimmers with an ethereal light, her eyes glowing with newfound power as her form begins to shift. In a dazzling display of light and color, the cat transforms into a beautiful princess. The princess cat, transformed and radiant, parades through the bustling cat community. Wealthy cats lounge in sunbeams, their eyes widening in disbelief at the sight of her. "Who are you? Such a beautiful princess has never been seen before." The princess cat smiles gently, her eyes reflecting newfound compassion and empathy. The wealthy cats hang their heads in shame, overwhelmed by their past actions. They beg for forgiveness, their voices filled with remorse and regret. The princess cat, now their leader, dedicates herself to helping others, embodying true beauty and kindness. "I am the same cat whom you used to mock. You saw my appearance but not my heart. Today, my prayer has been answered, but only because I never hurt anyone's feelings."